Now this video is very important for people who own a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler in India because it might just save you a challan of 5 to 10,000 rupees. Now the HSRP, which is the high security registration plate, is an important component of your car or a vehicle, and I'm sure there are so many people out there who try to get a Jugadu HSRP number plate made just by paying 100 or 200 bucks from the third party vendors, which is wrong. But what if I told you that you can get an actual original HSRP that is authorized by the government at your home, where a guy will come and install it for you? It's simple and easy, and then there's an online process for this. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get an HSRP number plate delivered to your home, where a guy will come and install it right in front of you. It's easy peasy, and the process is online. Hey guys, this is Cyrus and you're watching Fiiber by India Today, and in this video I'll tell you how to get an HSRP registration number plate for your vehicle by following simple steps. Let's go. Alright, so first up you have to go to your browser, and then over here you have to type book HSRP number plate. That's the prompt that you have to put on your Google browser. Alright, so you see a number of these results right here have been displayed, but make sure that you go on the official website link and not the sponsored ones that you see on the top. And for your convenience, we've also just put the actual link, the official link, in the description, and you can go and visit the website from there as well. Now over here you will see 5 options, and you don't have to head anywhere else. Just go to the high security registration plate with color sticker and the option you have to select from here. Now over here you have to enter the vehicle information, and simple information like state, registration number, chassis number, engine number, and all of this. After you fill, you will have to enter a CAPTCHA code, and then you just have to enter simple details. After that, you'll see all of the details of your vehicle displayed right in front of you, which will help you tally whether the information displayed here is actually the correct information. And you can also go ahead and select the vehicle category. Just make sure that you have all of the information the same as you have it on your RC. Now, in the contact information section, just make sure that the name that is on the RC is the same that you see over here. And after that, you just enter the email ID that you have, your mobile number, and also just fill in the address on which the registration of the vehicle was done. Now, this is an important information that I'm about to tell you. Now, what usually happens, a lot of people get confused that they might have registered the vehicle at a particular address, but they might be living somewhere else. However, in this process, you can get the HSRP number plate delivered to wherever you are living, and it's not necessary that the delivery has to be of the address where the vehicle was registered. So for example, if you are living in Lajpat Nagar currently and your vehicle was registered with a DEFCOL address, so imagine this, you can get the HSRP delivered to the Lajpat Nagar address and not the DEFCOL. So it's a convenient process. I think it's been made to make sure that you can get the delivery made to where you live. However, please make sure that the vehicle registration address, the state basically, is the same. So you can't get an HSRP number for Delhi if you have a vehicle registration from UP. So make sure that the state is same. The address within the state can be different. After all the information has been entered, you just have to click next over here, and over here you have to enter your mobile number for verification. After you're done entering the mobile number, you will have the option to get an OTP on the official mobile number, and then you have to enter that and then proceed to the next step. After you click next, you will see 2 options. Basically, one is the delivery, where the HSRP number will be delivered to your home address, and the second one would be a dealer appointment option, where you would have to take the vehicle to the dealer, which I think not a lot of people will opt for. Now, while the home delivery system is free for a lot of the food delivery apps, it's not the same over here. You have to pay up some money plus GST to make sure that the HSRP number plate is delivered to your home. It's a small amount, it's not a lot, so the convenience you're getting is much more than what you're paying for. Okay, so now here we have to enter the PIN code to ensure that the delivery availability in that area is also there available. And after that, just fill in the complete address where you want to get this delivered. If there is a landmark that you want to specify, you can also do that in this option here, and then just press next. Now here you will have to select the date and time when you will be available at that specific address, so that whenever the person is coming to install the number plate, you are also, or somebody from your household is available to help them out. Now over here you will see all of the information in terms of the booking summary. You just have to make sure that all of the information is correct and then confirm and proceed to the next step. Alright, so here you see an option where you have to enter your mobile number. Basically, this is an option where if you have to get a frame made for your number plate. It's just that it's better quality than the ones that you already get in the market. So yes, you get an option for that. Enter all of the information and you can proceed to the next step from here on. I think it's a good thing to have for your vehicle. It just makes it stand apart and you get a better quality number plate for your vehicle. Alright, so we're almost at the end. Now you just have to make the payment, and you have multiple payment options. Here you have UPI, card, net banking, wallet, pay later, and you just have to select one of them, and then you will have your HSRP number delivered to your doorstep. So guys, if you have the option for home deliveries in your state for the HSRP number, I think you should avail this and get an original HSRP number plate for yourself, just to avoid a challan of up to 10,000 rupees, which can be an inconvenience. You never know when a cop might catch you and fine you, because it is against the law to get one installed without proper verification and authorities, and also it's just fake. So why do it to save a couple of bucks? That's it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. Do share it with people who own four-wheelers or two-wheelers. It will help them and also give them more information about HSRP and its importance. As for this video, we're done. We'll be back with more tech on Fiiber. Stay tuned.